Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that you need official WhatsApp to use this account problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser. So you need to open that in your iPhone and you need to search for WhatsApp contact and you need to click on contact WhatsApp. And here you can see different options. You can see different options. You simply need to first click on the first one, and here you need to select your country, enter your number, enter your email address, confirm your email. How do you use WhatsApp? So here you need to select iPhone, and here you need to mention your reason that I am unable to use my WhatsApp on my account, so kindly help me resolve this issue. And then you simply need to go on to the next step, and you need to fill out the necessary formalities. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.